Auz billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Which is the largest lake of Pakistan? The correct option is option B, Manchar Lake. The ratio of ages of two students is 3:2. One is older to the other by 5 years. What is the age of younger student? The correct option is option B, 10 years. Cube, bowling and break term associated with which game? The correct option is option C, billiard. The radius of a circle is 10 centimeter and the length of one of its chord is 12 centimeter. Then the distance of the chord from the center is. The correct option is option B, 8 centimeter. ये नीचे सॉल्व भी किया हुआ है. Who among the following Mughal rulers was a contemporary of Queen Elizabeth I of England? The correct option is option D, Akbar the Great. In 1946, who called for the complete elimination of nuclear weapons? The correct option is option A, UN General Assembly. The largest volcano of world is. The correct option is option A, Mauna Loa. The charismatic leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and creation of Pakistan. The correct option is option D, Sikandar Hayat. A matter can exist in which of the following forms? The correct option is option D, all of these. ये liquid में भी पाया जाता है, solid में भी और gases में भी. Who chaired Asia Pacific Group of UNESCO for the year 2020 from Pakistan? The correct option is option B, Moinul Haq. Dash, she is a good runner but I have not seen her running. The correct option is option B, apparently. Sally bought a $2,000 government bond that yields 6% in simple interest each year. Write the equation that gives the total amount. A, in dollars, Kelly will receive when he sells the bond after year. The correct option is option B. A is equal to 2000 into 1 plus 0.06 T. ये नीचे सॉल्व भी किया हुआ है. उसके बाद है हमारे पास ड्यूरिंग मुगल रूल बख्शी वाज. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, इंचार्ज ऑफ मिलिट्री अफेयर. Which religion followers are not allowed to eat sahri while keeping fast? The correct option is option C, both A and B, Christian and Jewish. Tipu Sultan had diplomatic relations with which French king? The correct option is option A, Napoleon. The number of bones in newborn baby is. The correct option is option C, 300. Who is popularly known as father of Indian Constitution? The correct option is option A, B.R. Ambedkar. What did he wants you to do? Identify what in this sentence act as. The correct option is option A, pronoun. Error from computer hardware and software can be identified and removed by process. The correct option is option B, debugging. In MS Word, a character that is raised and is smaller above the baseline is called. The correct option is option C, superscript. How many countries joined NATO? The correct option is option C, 30. Which of the following is not a member of NATO? The correct option is option D, China. Which mosque was ordered by Allah to destroy? The correct option is option B, Masjid-e-Zirar. Which of the following cities was the former capital of Pakistan? The correct option is option D, Karachi. She sings the song does not, is she here, does not, is she is. The correct option is option A, tag question. In which surah of the Holy Quran Bismillah is added twice? The correct option is option B, Surah Namal. Synonyms of whale. The correct option is option A, cover. In tennis, which test is used to check the fitness of player? The correct option is option C, Dye test. Choose the correct analogy. Morning to noon and then. The correct option is option B, child to youth. The meaning of put on is. The correct option is option B, wear. Computer hard disk was first introduced in. The correct option is option D, IBM. Geneva is the city of which country? The correct option is option B, Switzerland. Choose the analogy of words written in capital letter line roar. The correct option is option B, goat bleed. Banjosa Lake is situated in. The correct option is option C, Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Choose the analogy of words written in capital letter speak, stammer. The correct option is option A, walk, stagger. Arab Spring started from which country? The correct option is option A, Tunisia. I met European. The correct option is option A, A. In March 2006, who was appointed as the bowling coach for Pakistan? The correct option is option B, Waqar Yunus. When did Pakistan join the OIC, Organization of Islamic Council? The correct option is option B, 1969. Cloud Gate is located in. The correct option is option A, Chicago. When did the Indian Mutiny take place? The correct option is option B, 1857. Azad Patan project will be constructed on which river? The correct option is option B, Jhelum. Antonym of haggard is. The correct option is option D, plum. How many princely states at the time of subcontinent partition decided to join Pakistan out of 565? The correct option is option C, 13. In Punjab, Radcliffe gave an unjust award including following tehsil in Indian state. The correct option is option B, Gurdaspur, Pathankot. The world's deepest trench, the Mariana Trench, is located in. The correct option is option C, Pacific Ocean. After Cold War, a new Cold War or Cold War II has arisen between. The correct option is option C, China and US. Agra summit was a 2 day summit which remained. The correct option is option B, unconclusive. Which out of the following countries hosted most refugees in 2012? The correct option is option B, Pakistan. Which one of the capital of Somalia? The correct option is option C, Mogadishu. Control, Shift and Alt are called. The correct option is option A, modify. Who was the founder of Nawai Waqt newspaper? The correct option is option A, Hamid Nizami. Which prophet was declared Adam second? The correct option is option B, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. General Pervez Musharraf was elected as president through referendum on. The correct option is option B, April 30, 2002. The workers called dash the strike. The correct option is option B, off. The reaction between an acid and base to form salt and water. The correct option is option A. The name of daughter of Quaid-e-Azam was. The correct option is option B, Dina. Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty of India? The correct option is option B, Behlol Khan Lodhi. Brain virus created by Biradar. The correct option is option A, Pakistani Biradar. Malia Lodhi served as ambassador of US, UK, UN. The correct option is option D, all of these. River flows into a quiet lake and begins to form a. The correct option is option A, deltas. Healthful diet includes balance, variety and principle. The correct option is option D, moderation. What is 20% as a fraction? The correct option is option C, 1/5, नीचे सॉल्व भी किया हुआ है। His hand caught yesterday in the door. The correct option is option A. Bruised. The binary decimal of 10100 is, the correct option is option A. 20 into 10, नीचे सॉल्व भी किया हुआ है। Chapter 1 of the 1973 Constitution deals with, the correct option is option A. Fundamental rights. How this incident come? The correct option is option B. About. Which is used as an electrode in the dry cell? The correct option is option B. Graphite. Which of the following is not a nomenclature of MS Excel? The correct option is option C. Document. We should abide by the rule. The correct option is option B. Should not we? The muscles, tissue and blood all are made up of. The correct option is option B. Protein. Which key is used for help in word? The correct option is option A. F1. Faiz Ahmad Faiz buried in. The correct option is option B. Lahore. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto first ministry was. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto first ministry was. The correct option is option B. Commerce. The Bari Doab is located between. The correct option is option B. Bias and Ravi. Mahmud of Ghazni waged war against rebellious India in the year of. The correct option is option B. 1000 AD. Which one is not principle of New World Order? The correct option is option A. Territorial integrity. That charming girl was the dash of all I. The correct option is option C. Cynosure. When Aligarh College became university in. The correct option is option C. 1920. 6 men, 7 women and 5 children complete a job for rupees 4400 if their individual wages be in the ratio 4:3:2. The total money earned by 5 children is. The correct option is option. The correct option is option A. 800 rupees. If 1/4 writing, 1/6 reading and 1/8 designing are participated in different contests and 33 participants of mathematics, then total number of participants are. The correct option is option C. 72. ये नीचे सॉल्व भी किया हुआ है। Who was the Prime Minister of India at the time of Tashkent Agreement? The correct option is option A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Chilam Joshi is a festival celebrated in. The correct option is option A. Kailash Valley. Hazrat Zaid bin Haris Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu name occurred in which surah of Holy Quran? The correct option is option C. Surah Al-Ahzab. Which is the national flower of Pakistan? The correct option is option A. Jasmine. Change narration. The worker said, I have not done anything wrong. The correct option is option C. The worker said that he had not done anything wrong. Fuel is after 4th lap is 22 and it is 18 after 7th laps. Then how many laps are made at the end? The correct option is option D. 16. The largest oil refinery in Pakistan is. The correct option is option C. Pak Arab Oil Refinery. हजूर नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की विलादत वाक़िया अल-फील के कितने रोज बाद हुई? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी, 50 रोज के बाद। कुरान हकीम ने किस फेल को कत्ल से भी ज्यादा शदीद करार दिया है? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, फितना और फसाद। हजरत यकूब अलैहिस्सलाम और हजरत अय्यूब अलैहिस्सलाम में क्या रिश्ता था? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, दामाद ससुर। इकबाल ने किस सिन्फ को सबसे ज्यादा बरता है? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, मसनवी। उर्दू की पहली तनकीदी किताब कौन सी है? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, मुकदमा शेर व शायरी। मजला नकूश के मुदीर कौन थे? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, मोहम्मद तुफैल। इनमें से दुरुस्त जुमला कौन सा है? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, भूखे लोग डाका ना डाले तो और क्या करें? गलत इमला का इंतखाब करें। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, तुम्हें। बाबाए उर्दू किस शख्सियत को कहा जाता है? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, मौलवी अब्दुल हक। ना मुंह में दांत ना पेट में आंत। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी। घर से घर तक किसका अफसाना है? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, अहमद नदीम कासमी।